Good morning, Point. My name is Arun Murugan from Clarity P4B. Uh, for today, the purpose of the video is I'm going to present about the toast calculation, calculator and calculator three projects. Okay, first, I'm present about the toast. For the toast, I used uh, text view and edit text and button. Okay, I rename it. Say something. I edit the text. Say something, and for this, I edit the text. Say something here, and for the button, just stop. Okay, okay. This is the coding for the text view. For text view, ID is text view. The layout width is brief content. The layout height is brief content also. The layout align parent start true. Layout align parent left true. Layout align parent top true. Layout center horizontal true. Layout margin start 92 dp. Layout margin left 92 db. Layout margin top 157 db. Text is say something. Color is black. Text size 30 sp. Layout constant bottom to bottom of parent. Layout constant end of the end to end of parent. Layout constant horizontal bias 0.0. Layout constant start to start of parent. Layout constant stop to top of parent. Layout constant vertical bias 0.194. For text, edit text, use ID edit text A, and the layout width is 96 dB. Layout height is 59 dB. Autofill ins just blank. EMS is 10. Input type text person name. The text is string slice say something here. For the color is color black. Layer constraint bottom of to bottom of is parent. Layer constraints end or to end is parent. Layer constant horizontal bias is 0.0. Layer constant start to start of parent. Layer constant top to top of parent also. Layout constant vertical bias is 0.599. For button is ID is button talk. Layout width is match parent. Layout height is wrap content. Layout below is ID edit text say. The layout center horizontal is true. Layout margin top 54 dp. Text is stock. Layout consists of bottom of parent. Layout country end to end of parent. Layout constant horizontal bias 0.0. Layout constant start to start of parent. Layout constant top to top of parent. Layout constant vertical bias is 0.648. Okay, now we are going to see the main activity. Is here I use text view. The RID is text view. I edit text. The RID is ID is text A. Button is button talk. Then I this is the method. Okay, now we are going to run the project. Okay, this is the output. the output of the toast. Okay, the text view is say something. Say something here is test edit test. Okay, now we are going to input the something lah. I going to input my name. Okay, the button is installed. Okay, now I'm going to press the button. Okay, here we can see the output. Arul here. Okay, that's only for the toast. Okay. Now I'm going to present about the calculator, the second project lah. Okay. For this one, I used what's the text view. Sorry, text view. This one is button. Okay, for the coding. Okay. For the coding of the text view is ID is txt value underscore value. Layout width is 103 dB. Layout height is 29 dB. Text is 0. Layout constant bottom to bottom of parent. Layout constant end to end of parent. Layout constant horizontal bias 0.498. Layout constant start to start parent. Layout constant top to top of parent. Layout constant vertical bias 0.428. For button, ID is btn underscore 8. Layout width is wrap content. Layout height wrap content text is +1. Layout constant bottom to bottom of its parent. Layout content end to end of its parent. Layout constant start to start of parent. Layout constant top to top of parent. Layout constant vertical bias is 0.512. Okay, now we are going to see the Java. Java is for text view is ID is text underscore value, but for button btn. This is the method for the calculation. Okay, now we are going to run the project. Okay, this is the output of the calculator, which is a second project. This is the text view, and this is the button. When we click the button, it will be the text view will be at one number. For example, it will be number number one lah. If we click again, it will be at one again one. Is continuously is like a loop. Okay. Okay. This is the last project, which means is calculator 2. My project name is calculator 2. For calculator 2 is I used sorry. Okay, sorry, point. Before the just ignore the before the. This is the calculator 2. Okay, the for calculator 2, I used two plain text and 4 buttons and 1 text view. This is input for the first number, and this is the input for the second number. For the button is this button for add button, which means calculate add what's addition. Okay, this button is calculator for subtraction, and this a button multiply button for multiplication, and this divide button is for division. Okay, now we are going to see the coding. Okay, for the text, edit text. Okay. For edit text, first edit text is and ID is ET first, and layout bit is wrap content. Layout ID is wrap content EMS10. Input type text person name. Text is enter first name. Layout constellation bottom to bottom of parent. Constant end to end of parent. Constant horizontal bias is 0.442. Constant start to start of parent. Constant top to top of parent. Constant vertical bias is 0.188. Okay, for second text ID is ID is ET second. Width is wrap content, ID is wrap content, EMS10. Same like edit text 1, but just the changes is the text. Enter second number. For button, I use for ID BTN underscore add. The layout width is wrap content, ID is wrap content, text is add. Constant bottom to bottom of parent, constant end to end of parent, constant horizontal bias 0.487, constant state to constant start to start of parent, constant top to top of parent, constant vertical bias is 0.436. This is the coding for the all the four buttons, but the difference is the text only. Okay, this is the coding for the text view. For text view is ID txt underscore solution. Layout width is 85 dB. Layout height is 25 dB. Text is 0. Constant bottom to bottom is parent. Constant end to end of is parent. Constant horizontal bias 0.498. Constant start to start of parent. Constant top to top of parent. Constant vertical bias is 0.837. Okay, now we are going to see the Java. For the Java, for edit text, the ID is ET first. Okay, edit text 2 is ET second. Button is BTN add. Text view is txt solution. For the button 2 is by BTN subtract. And button 3 is BTN multiply. Button 4 is BTN divide. Okay, this is the calculation for the button add, which means I use the plus operation. Okay, this is the calculation for the second button, which means is subtraction. Use the subtract operation here, and this is the coding for the button 3, which means is multiply. I use the multiply operation here. This is the coding for divide. Divide output lah. For the divide is I use the this operation for divide lah. Okay, one. Now we are going to use the now we are going to run this program. Okay, one. This is the output for the calculation 2, which means the last project. Okay, this is the plain text 1 and plain text 2, button 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is the text view. Okay, now we are going to try this. Okay, first of all, we need to input a number in here also. Okay, now we are going to try the add. Okay, 4 plus 2 is 6. For subtraction is 4. Subtract 2 is 2. 4 multiply 2 is 8. 4 divide by 2 is 2. Okay, now we are going to try other numbers like 5, 6. 5 plus 6 is 11. 5 separate 6 is -1. 5 multiply 6 is 30. 5 multiply 5 divide by 6 is 0. Okay, this is the 3 of my projects. I already present about the 3 of my projects. Okay, that's only one. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you this video will will mark me. Thank you, Pon, for watching. Bye.